Hello, everybody. This is Arthur. Breaking news from Middletown, Connecticut, of all places. Whoever knows where the hell that place is, I don't really know. Not even towards the middle of where I give a shit who they are, really, until something explodes in a timely manner, like this. Anyways, heard a power plant exploded. The explosion was actually due to an argument over the Superbowl. It was two employees arguing who actually disrupted the reactor in some way to cause it to explode. And it's still under investigation, but police say that neither alcohol nor excessive speed were to blame. As usual, I have exclusive film of the events that took place within the power plant before it exploded. All flight attendants were accounted for, and they claimed that their seat trays were in fact in the upright and locked position. So that is not a factor. So feel free to leave comments and subscribe. Everybody, please subscribe. Oh, hey Bill.
Oh, hey there, Sullivan.
How's it going? What are you wearing?
What? Oh, safety first.
Safety first? What about, I always try to not look like a douchebag first.
Douchebag? Oh, that's gross.
I would say safety forced. Like either safety's fourth on my list of important things.
Oh, safety first always. I always say safety first.
Or it's forced upon me. Like I don't really care. I mean, look at this thing. Made in Mexico. I mean, this thing, fit as a fiddle. It's a reactor and all that, but it's, yeah. Colts gonna win.
Oh, no way in hell are the Colts gonna beat the Saints. Sullivan?
Stop it right now.
You do not want to call down this thunder.
No, the Colts just kept Peyton Manning. Colts are gonna win. Really? Get started with this. They are gonna win. You know, it's people like you what cause unrest.
Your mother's a douchebag.
I'd have to mind to throw you in the reactor right now. No, stop. 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 I'll blow this whole place sky high.